the last video, we have learned about the angle between the lines represented by homogeneous equation of degree 2 is given by tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into under root of a square minus ab upon a plus b. There are two conditions. If lines are coincident, then the condition is h square minus ab is equal to 0. And if lines are perpendicular, then a plus b is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve the examples on exercise 4.2 based on angle between the lines represented by homogeneous equation of degree 2. These examples are 2 or 3 marks type example. Let's see the first example. Show that the lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. We know that if lines are perpendicular, then the condition is a plus b is equal to 0. Now first step is comparing the given equation with homogeneous equation. So comparing the given equation 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation of degree 2, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we get the values of a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to here minus 4, therefore h is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to minus 3. Now if lines are perpendicular, the lines are perpendicular if and only if the condition is a plus b is equal to 0. So using this condition, we have to find the value of a plus b. Here a plus b is equal to a is 3 and b is minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So as a plus b is equal to 0, the lines are perpendicular. Therefore, represented by the given equation 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Now see the next example. Show that the lines represented by this homogeneous equation of degree 2 are coincident. Similarly, we know that if lines are coincident, then the condition is h square minus ab is equal to 0. So using this condition, first comparing the given equation x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation of degree 2, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get the values of a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 6, therefore h is equal to 3 and b is equal to 9. Now the lines are coincident if and only if the condition is h square minus ab is equal to 0. So find the values of h square minus ab is equal to, here h is 3 square minus a is 1 and b is 9. So 3 square is 9 minus 9 into 1, 9 is equal to 0. Using the condition x square minus ab, we get 0. Therefore, we can say that the lines represented by the given equation x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 0 are coincident. In this way, using the condition, we can show that the lines are perpendicular or lines are coincident. See the third example. Find the value of k if lines represented by this homogeneous equation are perpendicular to each other. Now here we have to find the value of k, and the condition is the lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other. The lines are perpendicular to each other are given. Therefore, first we compare the given equation kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square is equal to 0 with the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to, comparing these two equations, we get a is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4, so h is equal to 2, and b is equal to minus 4. Here already given that the lines are perpendicular, so we have the condition a plus b is equal to 0. So the lines are perpendicular to each other a plus b is equal to 0. So this implies that a plus b, that is a is k and b is minus 4. So k plus minus 4 is equal to 0. That is k minus 4 is equal to 0, and so that we get k is equal to 4. So a plus b is equal to 0, then we get k is equal to 4. See the next example. Find the measure of acute angle between the lines represented by this homogeneous equation. Here we have to find the acute angle between the lines. So using the formula tan theta is equal to mod of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, we can easily find out the angle theta. So first, comparing the given equation, comparing the given equation 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 with the homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 4. So h is equal to minus 4 root 3. So h is equal to minus 2 root 3 and b is equal to 3. Here first we consider the measure of acute angle theta. So let theta be the acute angle between the lines. So we know that the formula tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into under root of a square minus ab upon a plus b. Now substituting the values of h, a and b, we get 2 into under root of h is minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 bracket square minus a into b. A is 3 and b is 3 upon a plus b. A is 3 plus b is 3. Then we get mod of 2 into under root of minus 2 root 3 bracket square, that is 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 3 into 3, 9 upon 3 plus 3, 6. So by simplifying this we get 2 into 12 minus 9, 3 upon 6. Dividing to 6 by 2, then we get root 3 upon 3, and by rationalizing this we get 1 upon root 3. Rationalize this number, that is root 3 upon 3 into multiplying and dividing by root 3, we get root 3 into root 3, 3, and the numerator 3 and this denominator 3 will be cancelled, then we get 1 upon root 3. So we get the value of tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3, and we know that the tan 30, value of tan 30 is equal to root 3. This is standard angle. So we know that tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3, and so comparing this theta, we get theta is equal to 30 degree. In this way we get the acute angle between the lines using the formula tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into under root of h square minus ab upon e plus b.